everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And now we will have our unboxing from the thrift. So yesterday I go shopping for thrifting, and I saw some items. I saw um, swimwear, underwear for summer. So I have I got two um for summer underwear. It's so nice, very nice. And yeah, and before we continues our vlog, let me first to introduce my channel, Margie Ovida. So I'm so excited, guys, and let's go. So I will show you guys um the items that I bought yesterday. So the first one is charan. So this is a colorful underwear. This is a swimwear, colorful flower. Look. So this is a swimwear. So for summer, you know, guys, here in the Philippines. Anyway, I'm from Philippines, so I'm Filipina. So yeah, this is for swimwear. It's, you know, this is thrift. I bought this from thrift. So it's so nice. It's look good, new. So yeah, and because the weather here is so hot here in the Philippines, so I decided to buy this swimwear. Yeah, it's very nice. And the next is the underwear, guys. So yeah, this is not, you know, this is from thrift, but it's look good. It's look like new, never used. You know why I said never use? Never use because look at there's also a sale here, you know. So it means this is an new, but this is from thrift. So and yeah, we remove this, and look, it's so nice, very nice, guys. So wow, this size is large. The size is large size. And yeah, and this is very nice, guys. Look, it's so nice. I'm crazy anyway, so crazy. I like the color anyway. I really like the color, a flower, you know, colorful, blue, yellow, orange, and pink. Yeah, so it's so nice, guys. So, and the next one is, and the second item is, wow, this is amazing anyway. So this is another swimwear. So if I go shower, if I go swimming in the sea, pools, so this is good to wear because it's really nice, guys. Charan! Color sky blue. So this is also from thrift also. And yeah, there's also a shelled here. Look. Um, this is thrift Shein. I don't just the sales lady they said is, you know, this is also from Shein, but but anyway, just like it's fine, whatever. So it's very nice. Look. Wow. I bought this from the thrift, but the brand is Shein. So anyway, I forget. I bought this yesterday uh at the thrift. So what we call it, that store. I saw there a lot of any style of swimwear, and the sales lady said is this brand this brand is from Shein. So but the store shop is thrift, you know, just like store thrift. It's like that, whatever. So it's very nice. Oh, I like the print, you know. I really like the prints. It's so nice, guys. Look. Wow. So it's like it's very nice. Anyway, look. So this is sky blue, guys. So I hope you guys, for those watching my vlog, anyway, my English is not really good, but I try my best to speak, guys, to speak English, because my viewers is foreigners. You know, my viewers is all mostly foreigner. So any language to watching my vlog, and that's why even my English is not really good. It's not, you know, just like my English is very poor. It's very simple. I talk to you guys so to explain, so I know somebody watching my vlog, they're fluent to speak English, and I know it, their mind, oh, why she speak English, the blah 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 blah. Her English is not really good, but anyway, I don't care about that. So the important, I talk English even my English is not really good. So, and the next is the bra. So very nice, guys. Look. Ah, look. So nice. Yeah. So this is for summer, for swimwear for summer. So thank you for watching, and I will show you guys this store that I bought yesterday. So I have a video. I have a video. I will show you guys. So thank you for watching.